sunshine. You are my sun. Red and white. You are my sun. You are my sunshine. You are my sun. Red and white.
Oh, he's binoculars for
It's a Rebel reunion.
Yeah. To be fair, that's kind of true. We haven't seen each other in 20 years.
I'm so old. I think I know
Go
what
on.
it is. Because you don't
Go
like
on.
me hanging out up here.
Hello!
Every time I do, I spend a
So,
fucking fortune.
we've got some IS200
Start
reunion
putting
thing that's
ideas in.
happening right now. Have a look. Everything, all of the
Right,
stuff
yeah,
we built,
he's
oh no
fucking
shit.
out.
All of the stuff that we built over the years. So the idea is to film the two cars together, take some photos, and then we're going out for a road tune remap thingy, no? No, we're not. Oh, okay, so we're doing... It's so happy that we don't have it. Oh. So we're just gonna take some videos and photos of them two together and see how it turns out. Hey. How are you enjoying your Turbo IS?
I'm not. Do you want to buy it?
What?
He's enjoying it. He's enjoying it.
What's wrong with it?
Nothing's wrong with it. It's just me. I'm all messed up.
Yeah, he's enjoying it.
Oh,
But we're just getting old, aren't we? And
Yeah, getting
we hit
old.
bumps now and it hurts.
Hair grows grey, bones ache,
Yeah.
back snaps, depression seeps in
Seeps in.
through the bones and the cracks.
Seeps in quick.
Every pothole,
I'm not sure if that's very advertiser friendly.
every pothole creates more depression.
And we return this video with a message from our sponsors, ourselves, and these.
We finally made the IS200 300 Altezza rear subframe braces. So there's that. The kit includes the cup, the long brace that goes underneath the tank, and all of the hardware you need on that. And they are bloody marvelous. So we've got 4mm thick steel. You've got cold rolled too. Everything's laser cut, put together in here, and color coded. Yes, in this beautiful red color. And if you don't like this color, we can make a custom one for you. Just mind you, it's going to take a little bit longer. Yeah.
Available via messaging us on our Facebook page or alternatively email right here. A dedicated online store to come in the near future.
Yeah. You know what? It's not the car's problem and it's not our problem.
It's the roads.
It's cancel.
That's
Defund the
problem.
cancel. Don't put that in. Jesus Christ. It's fixed. But it's just...
No.
We're getting old, aren't we?
Yeah, getting old. I mean, still enjoying it, but it's
We
just
need something nice and comfy like a big Volvo.
like a massive Volvo.
Like a Saab 9.5. Buy me Saab.
7-inch wheels, massive padding.
7-inch wheels.
Unfortunately, Matt had to leave right after, so for now let's focus on the black IS200, which a few months ago had a slight engine missile explosion. It foobarred itself. Thankfully, one engine transplant later, it is back and better than ever. So let's catch up with its owner. Hello Ruben, how are you?
Great, yourself?
Yeah, good. So, how's the Lexus a few months after the initial disaster and then being done properly?
Well, the engine's not blown up again.
Sorry.
So it's been enjoyable. I've got nothing to complain about. It's been fun to drive, but still, just tooling about. It's not blown up. It's great.
Do you enjoy the boosted life?
Yeah, well, turbo noises. You can't argue with turbo noises. I love the car, but it needs power, and now it's got a little bit. It's enjoyable. Right now it's running fine and it's safe. I need to do some beauty therapy to it. and then more power. I think it's running low boost, or at least low timing, so it's running safe. Eventually we'll change that and make more power.
It has space for more beans.
Yeah, a lot more space. I would say at least 220 now, and for a standard car that's only around 150ish when they're not old and abused, maybe. 220 is a lot, or at least it feels like a lot more than it is.
Well, the best part about all of this is you've got everything to get to 300 now.
Yeah.
Everything's there.
Yeah,
So
it is.
when time comes.
Yeah. The only mechanical thing I've got left to do to it just is the oil catch can. I need an oil catch can because it is breathing quite a lot now. It's under boost.
Regular servicing.
And regular servicing. Yeah. And knock sensors. Obviously, with a standalone ECU, it's got the original knock sensors, but the degree of
Resolution.
the monitoring frequencies are quite tight, but that's on a standard non-turbo engine. So I want to get some knock sensors from the Phoenix, who did the ECU and patch harness, and then I'll push it a bit. But that's after Christmas.
And
It's a Christmas present to myself.
should we take it for some photos?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.